Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Katrina, and today we are diving into important topic, breast health. Breasts are important organs, and understanding them is vital for our well-being. Here are important things to focus on, especially if you are a woman over 35 years old. Regular self-exams. They can help you notice any changes early on. I recommend to do self-examination of your own breast once per month. Maintaining a balanced diet and staying active. Nutrition and lifestyle affect breast health more than you think. Regular breast ultrasound once per year, plus mammogram after 40 years old. They can help catch any abnormalities early on and act accordingly. Remember, knowledge is power. If you have any concerns or questions, don't hesitate to reach out.